Finally, you no longer need any third-party application to create animated subtitles. DaVinci Resolve can do it all for you, and here how. First, select your clip and go to Timeline AI Tools. Choose Convert to Subtitles, and Resolve will automatically generate them for you. It feels faster than ever. But what if you want those eye-catching animated captions you see on the Instagram, Reels, or TikTok? Super simple. Go to Effects, Subtitles, and drag the statement effect onto your subtitle track. Let's play it back. Nice. You can see how the animation makes your text pop up. Want to customize it? Just change the color. For example, switch it to yellow and it instantly stands out even more. You can also try different animation styles. If you prefer each word to appear one by one, drop in the Write on Words effect. Play it again. Beautiful. The grade looks great and the character pop-ups right off the screen. For more quick tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe.